Hi everyone, look at this code snippet. We have a variable j of integer data type which is initialized to 0, and we have a for loop which actually runs for 100 times, and each time j value is incremented and assigned to itself. And finally we are displaying the j value. So it has to actually print 100, right? So let us verify it. So to our surprise, it actually prints 0 but not 100. Why is this so? Before knowing the reason, please subscribe to the channel. So the tricky part here is in this statement where we are actually incrementing and assigning it to the same variable, right? So here the plus plus operator, when placed after a variable, it functions as the postfix increment operator, meaning the value of the expression j plus plus is the original value of j before it was incremented. So the preceding assignment first saves the value of j, then sets j to its value plus 1, and finally resets j back to its original value. So in other words, let me put it in a sequence of steps. What actually happens, right? So j value is saved first, and it is incremented by 1, or the value like 1 is added to the its value, and the original value is assigned back to j. So these are the sequence of steps which actually happens with this single step, right? So the program repeats this process 100 times, and j is exactly the same as before, right? The value of j never changes. So this is the reason we see value 0 displayed in the output, right? So how do we fix it? It's simple. Just we need to remove this assignment and run it again. Now we can see we got the expected output 100, right? So in summary, do not have multiple assignments to the same variable in a single expression, because it is confusing as we saw and never does what we want, right? So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it.